morning, everyone, and welcome back to Jack London State Historic Park and our nature wellness video series called Take 5 with Jack. I'm Christina, and today we're enjoying the fresh, clean scent of the eucalyptus grove here at the ranch. Jack London actually planted this grove of trees in 1910 as a response to the devastation of the 1906 earthquake. Building materials at that time were in very high demand, and many farmers were planting crops of these fast-growing trees to be used in construction. Jack hoped that the profits from his crop would help to pay for the many farming experiments that he wanted to carry out here at Beauty Ranch. Starting with 15,000 seedlings, this grove eventually grew to over 80,000 trees. Unfortunately, as the grown trees were felled and started to season or dry out, they would twist and crack, making them totally useless for lumber. But today, these fragrant trees provide important habitat for birds like raptors, including Coopers and red-tailed hawks, who like to perch very high up in the tall canopy. So today we're exploring our sense of smell. Our senses are connected to the parts of our brain that also generate emotions and is responsible for some of our most basic emotional responses, like pleasure, fear, and the fight, flight, or freeze response. Smell is also deeply linked to basic human functions and body processes like hunger, memory, heart rate, respiration, and temperature. Smell is both powerful and immediate. The ancients knew the power of smell for healing and worked with fragrant oils, herbs, and flowers to help people. Modern science is exploring the value of practices like aromatherapy to help people with insomnia, anxiety, phobias, panic attacks, depression, nausea, back pain, and even food cravings. Research also shows that certain fragrances may even help with concentration and learning. And while some scents have an inherent effect on our moods, many are actually strongly linked to memory. You can actually invoke positive feelings by enjoying the smells of happy times, like certain holidays, or your favorite grandmother's perfume. You can also learn to use smell to help manage your moods and improve your health. We now bring you to the fragrant garden behind Jack London's cottage for our tip of the week. Manage your moods with your nose. Start with a fun game to warm up your senses. Blindfold yourself while a trusted friend holds different scents under your nose. See if you can identify them. What are the qualities of each scent? Is it earthy, flowery, spicy, citrusy, piney or cedar-like, fresh or pungent? And for each scent, take note of any emotions or sensations that it may bring up for you. Do any of these induce a sense of calm, relaxation, or joy? Remember those and keep them around you in their natural form or as a scented candle or essential oil to help promote and induce those positive emotions and sensations throughout your day. You can start the game with everyday things like coffee, toothpaste, soap, certain foods, and then move on to natural scents like different plants, herbs, spices, and flowers. And the next time you're in the park, or even in your own backyard or garden, sit for a while with your eyes closed and focus on the different natural scents that are in the air. Because the perfume of a flower-filled garden or a pungent redwood forest can be utterly intoxicating and set you up to feel good for the rest of your day. So if you like our video series, please like and subscribe. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you guys next week.